Hi guys, I'm going to describe a bike. You figure out what I'm talking about. It's hot. It's burning hot. It's burning all over the internet for e-bikes. It's a 60 volt, 20 amp hour battery with a 40 amp controlled, full suspension, fat tire e-bike. Now, I've seen 3 guys plug this bike and getting really good reviews. Now, why would you need a suspension seat post for a full suspension e-bike? And I believe the answer is that the suspension's so stiff that it really doesn't do anything. It's a hard ride, and that's why you need the suspension seat post. You want my advice? You still want this bike? If you figured out what it is, get the step through Hardtail. Save some dough, get yourself a coffee and a donut. You'll be a lot happier because you'll be saving weight. Add that weight with the donut and coffee. All right, bye.